The interest rate increases which began in early 2022 have had a major effect on long-term private lending for residential rental properties. In this video, I'll provide an update on interest rates for DSCR rental loans as of August 2022, my prediction for where rates will be by the end of the year, and how to find out the current rates offered by various private lending companies, which are also known as hard money lenders. I'm Butani, founder of PrivateLenderLink.com, where investors and brokers can easily find direct private lending companies. If you are in the investment real estate business and want to gain insights into private mortgage lending, subscribe to our channel and get notified every time we release a new video. Private mortgage lending is mainly for short-term financing up to 2 years. But starting in 2018, Wall Street capital markets developed an ecosystem enabling private lending companies to offer long-term loans up to 30 years for residential investment properties. The loans are called DSCR because the debt service coverage ratio is the primary qualification, not the investor's personal income. In addition to having the rental be cash flow positive, investors need a minimum down payment of 20% and a credit score over 650. Most DSCR loans are 30-year fixed terms, but some lenders offer a 5, 7, or 10-year program. The DSCR loan program helped fuel an explosion in residential real estate investing, while interest rates were low enough for most investment properties to qualify. As of February 2022, the interest rates for DSCR loans typically range from 4.25% to 5.5%. Since the Federal Reserve started increasing interest rates in March, DSCR loans have experienced a major increase in rates at a very rapid pace. By July, the minimum interest rate was 7%. In mid-August, there was a slight drop, and as of August 31st, the DSCR interest rates for most lenders ranges from 6.75% to 8.5%. If you see a lender advertising rates lower than this in 2022, it's either because they haven't updated their websites or they're promoting an adjustable rate program, which is not popular in a rising rate environment. Unlike with short-term private lending, there is little variation in interest rates with fixed-rate DSCR loans. The pricing is pretty much the same across the private lending community, so shopping around for lower rates could be a waste of time. Almost all of these long-term rental loans are sold to the secondary market, which includes Wall Street securitizations and insurance companies. Lenders price their loans according to the secondary market's pricing, and this is fully dependent on the federal funds rate. So lenders are not increasing interest rates to make a higher profit. It's really out of their control. This video was produced at the end of August 2022, a few weeks after the Federal Reserve increased rates for the 4th time this year. Since March, the 4 rate hikes have totaled 2.25%. Most of us in the mortgage industry expect the Fed to hike rates again in September by 75 basis points and 50 basis points in November. Therefore, I predict that by mid-November, the new interest rate range for fixed-rate DSCR loans will be 7.5% to 9.5%. The interest rate hikes have definitely slowed down residential real estate investing activity, but many investors are coping with the new reality, and deals are still getting done. The higher interest rates are making it harder to achieve the minimum debt service coverage ratio requirement, which for most lenders is 1.2 at this time. To make deals work in this environment, real estate investors must reduce their debt by having a larger down payment for a purchase or by taking a lower loan amount with a refinance. Despite all the turmoil with interest rates, there is still a lot of capital available to real estate investors. If you're seeking a DSCR rental loan, use our website PrivateLenderLink.com as a resource to find direct lenders. All the private lending companies listed have a detailed profile that shows their lending guidelines for long-term rental loans. You can contact each lender directly, or if you'd like some recommendations, click the Create a Loan Request button. Provide some information about your deal so we can review, and we'll invite a few select lenders to look at it. If you found the content in this video to be useful, please click the like button and be sure to check out our other videos about private mortgage lending. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.